To become a certified formulator in a few months, you definitely need to start today. The demand for organic beauty products is on the rise. People are choosing natural ingredients and transparency of procedure over harmful chemical products. This got the organic industry booming like never before. This also gave rise to the need of formulators. But not all the formulators are authentic. Many of them don't know what they're talking about or have the credibility to teach others about this blend of art and science. Good formulators are the need of the hour. It takes a lot of knowledge and skills to become a good one, which is why it is important to learn from a good school of formulation and get certified. This gives a strong foundation to your business and an authority over other scammy DIY blogs. Becoming a certified formulator includes a lot of authentic knowledge because it takes more than Googling stuff and working on trials and errors. It takes time to gain the knowledge and practice to master the skill. If you go about digging out the internet, it'll cost you a lot of precious time and effort to find the right sources of information, method and procedures, things that you can trust enough to build an entire career upon. So if you are serious about being a part of this ever-growing industry, then it is important to pick the right choice and learn from a credible source. You can start by getting a certification in formulation. If you too dream of becoming a professional formulator and a part of this growing industry, then think no more. Because with Learn Canyon, you can become a certified, authentic formulator in a matter of months. All you need is time and attitude to learn and practice, and the courage to take the right step today. Head over to Learn Canyon website to catch up on more exciting bonuses. All you need to do is take the right action. Everything else we have got covered. Have any questions about the course? Let's hear them in the comment. Bye-bye.